Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new topic, that is update operator. It is similar to update function which we have seen in my last video. So update operator is used to update a field of a given object. So let's see how it works. So I have a XML payload on my left hand side. So let's say if I want to update uh, a name or a field or a result or a marks or any specific field. So what I'll do, payload update, and we don't need any explicit module like we used to have in update function. So simply update and hit enter. Then let me just update the name. Okay, so case dot student dot name, and I want to update name from Sarthi to Vijay. Okay, the result is on my right hand side. So from the name you can see the name has updated to Vijay from Sarthi, but there is an issue. If you are able to see, it has only updated the name, the first object of the student, name of the first student object. It has not updated the second name. It is still the same. Okay, so to resolve this we have a way. Simply you have to add star at student. So you can see now both the objects, both the student object has been updated. The name Sarthi has for student 1 object has been updated to Vijay. Student 2 object, the name has been again updated to Vijay. That is one other solution. Another thing I want to discuss is, like, let's say what happens if I again create, you can create multiple cases to update multiple objects. Yeah, so if I say again, if I use dot students dot student star dot name and if I say AJ, so you can see only the first case has got the priority, second case it has ignored it. Okay, so that's the thing. If you're updating on same object or same field, you can say. So I'll remove this one. So we can update multiple fields as well. So now you can add some conditions as well in this case. Now I have a case where I want to update uh, my marks, right? Update my marks wherever I see there is a decimal point. That also we can cover via this update scenario. So let's see how it is done. So case, I can also declare a variable at local level. So I will say marks. Okay, then at where I want to do it, students dot student. I will always use to refer all the objects, star to refer all the object dot, what is it, marks. And I will use a condition if I want to check if this mark is a decimal, contains a decimal point or not from the given input. So I'll say is decimal, I will say mark as number, and I will say if this value is true, then only update my marks, else don't update. So I will say floor, I want to make it as a fixed number, so I will say marks. So you can see marks, which was earlier 75.4, now it has changed to 75. Similarly, if I add 74.6 something, I should be able to see the respective value. So you can see it has updated 74.6 to its flow value, that is 74. And you can see both the values 75.4, 70.5. So earlier it was not there 74.5, so it was just showing you 74. So it can say it has just updated, you can say it has just updated the first object, not the second. Still it is iterating, which I just showed you. I think that's it, guys. Happy learning.